Hi everyone, I'm Sandy and today we are going to be doing animal themed yoga. It's super fun, super easy, so let's go get started. First, we are going to do the turtle for 30 seconds.
For the turtle, put your feet together, bring it close to your body, and lean over.
Now we're going to do the crab 5 times, hold each for 10 seconds.
For this, start sitting down and then push up and hold for 10 seconds.
Next, we're going to do the shark 5 times, also for 10 seconds.
Start by laying down and then clasp your hands together at your back and lift up.
We are going to now do the dolphin 5 times, also for 10 seconds.
Lay your arms flat and start on all fours and then extend your legs and push up.
You are now done with this super easy and super quick yoga. But now, remember to lay down, close your eyes, and relax for a bit.